Okay, so who doesn't love beer and ranch? So tonight I am making chicken and potato beer ranch kebabs. I have the chicken already all cut out. As you can see, I love my Pioneer Woman, and I'm using Budweiser beer. My husband, of course, will drink the rest of that later. So this here is just a little bit of oil with some garlic. I'm going to do a heaping tablespoon, there's my dog, of ranch dressing. This ranch dressing I had made myself out of buttermilk and spices. It's just easier, more cost efficient to make your own. So I also have potatoes sitting in cold water. I'm not going to do anything with them now. They're going to get parboiled about a half hour before I decide to put the kebabs together. So the water is just so they don't brown. I will come back after this marinates. It has to marinate for at least 2 hours. So I'm going to mix in the beer with the ranch dressing and the oil and the garlic. Throw the chicken in, let it marinate with this delicious Budweiser beer, and call it a day for the next couple hours, and then I will grill these bad boys off and I will be back. Alright, so I am back. I had parboiled our potatoes in salted water. That's a way to incorporate flavor into those potatoes. I sprinkled them with a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder, which are best friends, a little bit of black pepper, and drizzled it with some EBOO. I've already started assembling some kebabs here out of the marinade, and now I'm going to finish off these and make this last one while the grill heats up. Okay, so it really doesn't matter how you start. You can do a potato first, you can do chicken first. I'm just gonna go with whatever. Get these all skewered up. I'm going to put them on the grill. I'm going to cook them until they are done. I try to get everything off to be about the same size so it cooks evenly. As I said before, I do have some extra chicken pieces, which is okay. I can use them for lunches for my husband and myself, since we work kind of like 9 to 5 jobs, but just a little different hours. I will put all the ingredients and the recipe in the comments below when it's done. Alright, so I'm grilling these bad boys up. So quick and simple. I'm going to use some of that extra marinade juice that I have left over. And I am going to just run that over. Gives the potatoes a little extra flavor. Keeps everything nice and moist. I apologize for my horrible camera skills. I'm not a good multitasker sometimes, at least via camera and grill. I do love to grill. It is one of my favorite summer things. I also grill in the winter. There are those extra pieces of chicken that is left over. So these only have a few more minutes to grill up, and then they're going to be done and ready to eat. Okay, so these are done. A surefire way of knowing that meat or something is cooked is when you lift it off of the grates. It doesn't stick. It comes right up. So all those sugars have caramelized from the beer and the olive oil and just the natural sugars with the potatoes and the chicken. This is going to be delectable. Can't wait for you guys to try this. The ingredients are listed below. Super easy. Fun if you want to change everything up and just make it your own. Remember, a recipe is only a guideline. If you don't like something in it, change it up a little bit. Till next time, guys, have a good one.